What's the meaning of classic FM? Classic FM. Classic FM.
Classic FM. Classic FM. Classic FM is a UK-based radio station that specializes in playing classical music. It was launched in 1992 and has since become one of the most popular radio stations in the country, with a weekly audience of over 5 million listeners. The station aims to make classical music more accessible to a wider audience, playing a mix of popular classics and lesser-known works from both contemporary and historical composers. Classic FM also features dedicated programs on film soundtracks, musical theater, and opera, as well as hosting annual events such as the Classic FM Hall of Fame.